All right, we are here with Noah Phillips, the featured performer in Ensemble Theater Chattanooga's production of Honk. Noah, how's your day going today?
Good.
Yeah? Yeah, and so what do you think about performing in Honk?
Good.
And why do you think people should come see Honk?
'Cause it's good.
Excellent. And so if you had to give a commercial for Honk, what would you say? What would the tagline be?
Honk.
Excellent. That's real short and sweet. We like that. Do you have anything that you want to say to friends or family members to make sure they come see the show?
Sure.
And what would that be?
Barking Legs Theater.
That's where it's at, right? Yeah. Anything else? Any other kind of fun things? You have any good friends in the show that you want to mention?
Yup.
Yeah, who are they?
Savannah.
Okay.
Kyle.
Yeah.
Tiffany.
Okay. Yeah.
And Kimberlyn.
Okay.
Violet. Beck.
Yeah.
And Lori.
Lori? Yeah. Yeah.
You.
Oh, me. I thought if you were going to forget me, that'd be bad.
Yeah.
Well, so everybody should come down next weekend, right?
Yup.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And Sunday.
Oh, no Sunday. No Sunday shows. We just have Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and Saturday matinee. Who's coming to the Saturday matinee?
I don't know.
The Tennessee Aquarium.
Whoa.
Yeah. What are they going to bring?
Maybe some kind of animal that don't fly.
One that doesn't fly, like maybe a boa?
Or possum.
A possum from the aquarium?
Yeah.
Or what if they bring a catfish?
Or what about Chattanooga Chuck?
Who's Chattanooga Chuck?
The groundhog at the aquarium.
Oh, I didn't even know the aquarium had a groundhog.
If you want to come to Barking Legs after Honk, look on our upcoming shows.
Yeah. What's the website? EnsembleTheaterChattanooga.com?
Yup.
Yeah. Can you say that? Say www.ensembletheaterchattanooga.
www.ensembletheater.com.
Yeah. Of Chattanooga. Ensemble Theater Chattanooga.
Ensemble Theater Chattanooga.
.com. Yeah.
.com.
So how much fun have you had playing a little duckling in Honk?
So much fun.
So much fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what's your favorite part of the show?
Goose chase when I'm on your shoulders.
Oh, Goose Chase? Yeah. What's your name in Goose Chase?
Barnacles Jr.
Why are you called Junior?
Because I am your son.
Oh.
Because I'm little.
You're little, and I'm big, right? I'm much bigger. Okay. Let's see if there's anything. You have any questions for the camera?
At Honk, if you want to come see Honk, it's at Barking Legs Theater.
Okay. What times? 7:30
7:30
on Thursday
on Thursday
and Friday
and Friday
and Saturday.
and Saturday.
And then 2:30 on Saturday as well.
Okay.
Okay, 2:30 on Saturday. Who's this? Is he your friend too?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Colby, right?
Yeah.
He's our piano player, Colby. Colby? Okay. All right, so Honk is good?
Yup.
And Noah's good?
Yup.
And Noah's had fun.
Yeah.
And that is why you should come see Honk, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. Come on down and don't be strangers.
All right.